How to set up Google Family Link on iPhone. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Google Chrome. Once you are in here, in the search bar, search for Google Family Link, and then wait for a while for it to load. Tons of different sites will be visible to you, but head over to the second site, Family Link from Google. It will lead you to this official page. In this page, you can see what Google Family Link is. It's a tool that respects families' individual choices with technology, helping them create healthy, positive digital habits. With easy-to-use tools, you can understand how your child is spending time on their device. So, in order to set up, tap on Sign In. It will open up this page. So it has asked you if your child have a Google account. Let me click on yes. You will be landing on this page. So what you want to do is, you have to get your child's device and then open up the settings. If you're on your Android device, then go to Google and then head over to Parental Controls. And if you're on iOS, then go to People and then head over to Parental Controls. Follow the steps to set up parental controls. Once you have completed all the process, then tap on Done at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can set up Google Family Link. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.